Your proposal has been set to 1. You'll see up here that you can click here, same thing here, to schedule an installation, right? So you just click here, installer, doesn't really matter, just click down, doesn't matter for now, we can change it later on. Commencement date doesn't matter either, just choose the date. And after you've filled these items out, just click assign. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to upload the pictures for the job. Okay, so go on to files. So the first thing you need from the customer is an electricity bill. Now the purpose of this is to basically show what energy provider they're with, what the distributor is, and to make sure that they're connected. Right, so ideally you want to have an energy bill. Take pictures of the full energy bill. It's going to be roughly 2 to 3 pages or sometimes more. If they have a PDF, get them to email it to you, and then you can just upload it here, or you can just take pictures from the app. If they don't have an energy bill yet, you can use a welcome pack. So it's an email that they get sent out when they first connect with an energy retailer, and that works as well. So you can use that. So the second photo that you need is a photo of the outside of the property, meaning the outside, the shop front, showing any signage. So if it's a restaurant, take it from the street, showing, you know, the name of the restaurant on the sign. Whatever it is, just take it, making sure it's a business premises, essentially. Right. And the next photo you need is a photo of the switchboard. So wherever the switchboard is, just take a photo of it. Okay. No worries. And the next photo is a geotagged photo of the installation environment before the product is installed, meaning this is where the new system is going to go. So if you're not relocating the system, just take a picture of the existing system from afar, showing where it is at the moment. If you are relocating the system, then you need to take a picture of where the new system would go, right? So it wouldn't contain the existing system because that's not where it is at the moment. So it's a photo of where the new system is going to go, so you can show the installers where to put it, essentially. Now the next item is a photo of the existing hot water unit, right? So just making sure it's connected, that it's, you know, it's an actual electric hot water system that they're using at the moment. Just take a picture showing the environment as well of the existing unit. That's pretty much it. And the last photo that you need to take is of the compliance plate. So that is going to show you where all the specs for the system itself. So how many liters it is, what the power rating is, what the pressure is. It's going to say there on the compliance plate all the information that you need. So if it doesn't have a compliance plate or it's rubbed out, then we can't do the system because we need some verification of what the heating capacity is, essentially. And all these pictures, they need to be geotagged. So what you can do is 2 things. You can either capture it on the app itself, which will geotag it automatically. But sometimes the system is a bit buggy, so I recommend going with a geotag app like GPS Camera. That's a good app where you can save geotag photos on your phone and then upload it to the install. And that's pretty much it. So to navigate the system, all you really need to do is hit these three bars up here. If you want to look for a customer, go search customer, and you can search by whatever you remember. So customer name, it would be the name of the business, or contact last name, the name of whoever you were talking to. So to just show you an example, I'm gonna just click search, and it'll show up all the customers that you have here. So the most recent one is the one we created, eGreen Electrical. And from here, you can access or make changes to whatever you need to, right? So if you need to add the email again, just add the email again. So info@eGreen Electrical. Update the item and then save it so it saves. Okay, great. And from here, you can access anything to do with the customer. So the proposal that you sent out, any calculations that you might have, and the install as well. So if you lose your way, just search the customer and just go to the installation or calculation, whatever you need to change. In this case, we'll just head back to the installation, and then we can upload our photos from here in case you lose your way.